Sustain nutrition, just a tip. Avoid these 3 mistakes in the gym. Number 1, walking on the treadmill, holding on, leaning back. You don't burn as many calories and you look like an extra from the Thriller video. Number 2, kicking your butt out whilst you're walking on a stepper. It's not going to turn your ass. No one runs around thinking that they're going to get really toned shoulders by moving their arms. It's just cardio. It works your heart, your lungs, it burns calories. It does not tone. And number 3, being scared to go into the weight section. You pay your money, you pay your membership like everyone else, get in there and lift some weights. I can guarantee that 9 out of 10 of those people don't know what the fuck they're doing either. Don't worry. Speak to a coach, get a program, get in there, get lifting.